Guys, how's it going? Brian back here with a look at Injective. All right. First off, I want to warn you guys out there. Okay, there's if you're searching for cryptos, you put in the search Injective protocol and it comes up free airdrop, tutorial, everything. Please don't fall for them scams, guys. They're starting to put them everywhere again. They'll come up right on your search here. Check this out. I'm going to show you real quick. All right, Injective protocol. All right. News, pre-sale, surge, did you miss Solana's airdrop, whales entering the arena, stacks and injector. Okay, but you'll usually, there's only one up here. It has, did you miss the airdrop? Did you miss Solana's airdrop? Guarantee that's a scam. There's tons of them, okay? I'm just trying to warn you guys. If you see anything out there with a free airdrop, it's a scam. Okay, you can see how the market is today. Pretty cool, huh? Little Santa hats and gifts and stuff, and just wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was pretty cool. Got STX up 25%. And if you guys, I always talk about them, guys, my videos, the level 3 membership for $14.99. This is what you get. Okay, over like 8 hours of videos, learning to trade, members only, how to do trend lines, how to use the Fibonacci retracement, that's a half hour long. How to use Trading View, that's a half hour. Do not buy big green candles, they show you how to get better entries. Bullish and bearish divergence, bullish and bearish chart patterns, that's a half hour. How to short the market, if you're interested in shorting, please don't do that unless you know what you're doing. It's 34 minutes long. Setting Trading View up like mine. Candlestick pattern chart sheet, cheat sheet, I'm sorry. 7-step trading plan. Meaning of a golden cross and a death cross and what they look like. How to find the next 1000x part 1 and 2. I show you how to do your own research. It's almost an hour long there. MEXC leverage trading instructions. How to actually leverage trade. How to use CoinMarketCap and look for the next 1000x. Things a gold mine. There's tons of info over there. You just know how to use it to find the next big cryptos. All right. I gave a shout out for one yesterday. It was up 40% today. You know, I'm a small YouTuber. I don't get, and nobody offers me anything. Okay, I'm not affiliated with anybody. I try to do what's best for you guys. I honestly do. If I don't, you're not going to come back. I want to see you make money, all right? And the RSI explained buy and sell signal. So that's what you get, a level 3 membership, $14.99, all right? I've had like 58 members now. It's I haven't been monetized that long, so it's going well. Everybody's doing well, and I just, you need to learn how to buy and sell, guys. That's the big thing. You need to know when something's overstretched, especially in a bull run. It's easy to make money. You can throw money at anything, and you'll make money. You'll think you're a genius, and then you'll hold it all and watch it all go away. That's what I did last time. So I had to take a trading course. Whoops, sorry about that. It cost me a lot more than 15 bucks. All right, so I have it at that price because a small channel, I need I need to make some kind of income doing this, so that's why it's there, man. You know, as I get bigger, I'm gonna have to raise the price on it. I got a lot of time in that. I got like 8 hours in there for 15 bucks. You know, so if you're interested, go check it out. I'd appreciate it. Injective protocol, the 12-hour RSI. All right, it is bearish on here. Okay, the daily is still bullish, 97 and a 94. All right, let me get this line off here, down here. All right, we got the weekly at a 100 and a 97, and we got the monthly at a 100 and a 94. All right, 8 hour is still bullish. The 4 hour is bearish. All right, so kind of a mixed signal here. If we go out in a monthly chart, all right, take a look. Now we got that target from the Fibonacci, right? We went from swing high to swing low. And just about there. You know, I can't get it. I'm not going to get it exactly right now. We'll get it pretty close. Right about there. Okay. So this thing gave it a 0.168 target of $40. That's how we came up with the 40 bucks. Okay, was the Fibonacci. All right, it busted through that. All right, now that next target up there would be at 64 bucks. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. It's overextended. Retracement has to come in at some time here. Okay, you got to have a Look at this. Look at this candle. You got to have a pullback sometime. That's kind of ridiculous. This thing is up. Let's look at this for the month. Bottom to top. It's up almost to 2x. You know, so it's really blasted. All right, on a weekly here. You know, if we look at this, this is probably a 1-2. This is probably a third wave coming in. And you know, if I was looking at this, that's what I would be thinking. All right, now if you take a trend-based fib and look at, whoop, let's get rid of that. Sorry about that. Geez, every time I do a video, I do something. I apologize. You know, if we do a high wave 1, 2, let's see if anything matches up here. Okay, this gives us a target. What, 59.97. All right, and what was the what target did the fib, regular fib give it? You look at these and try to match things up. Okay. Let's see here. Almost bottom. Right there is good enough. Whoops. Sorry about that. Let's open this up. All right. So there you go. That 2618 is at 64. This says 60. You know, is it probably in this range up here? I would imagine. You know what I mean? You have 5 waves up. That would give it a 5-wave move here. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. This is not financial advice. I just look at these charts and try to figure this out. It'd be a 3-wave, a 4th wave pullback, and then this final 5th wave up. You know, possibly. You know, we'll have to obviously see here. Okay, these RSIs are getting a little stretched. Okay, you got that weekly. Let's look here. Let's clean everything off and take a look at these higher RSIs first. Make sure they're still bullish. All right, you don't see a bunch of selling down here yet. Going to daily, you know, check out that volume down there. All right, you do have decreasing volume. All right, but you still have buyers coming in today. 4.7 million. All right, 4.7 million. Okay, the daily RSI is still bullish, 97 and a 94. All right, the 12-hour is bearish. Okay, you're making higher highs here, but you have a lower high than over here. You know, you're still getting a lower high. But on the 8-hour, yeah, we got lower highs coming in here. We got bearish divergence here, guys. You see it? You know, decreasing strength here. It's running out of gas there. On a 4-hour, still trying to push up. Put a trend line there on that RSI. If it breaks, you know, if it breaks out of this, you use trend lines on your RSI just like you would price action. All right, if it breaks through this, you know, then you got to break. All right, so keep an eye on that stuff. You know, especially if you have your trading view set up like mine and stuff. If it breaks that resistance, it's probably going to pop up above that 43.40 or give it another run. Another way to do this is really to zoom in on a 4-hour chart. Okay, put a Fibonacci on this thing, and if it breaks through a 702, it's probably going to go a little bit higher. Look at that, right on the 702. Keep a super close eye on this, guys. Right, let's see here. I want to get this perfect. It hit that 702 on the dot, okay, at 42.43. Okay, if you zoom in here on a 4-hour, put your Fibonacci on there and keep a close eye on that. All right, if this gets rejected here, then you got an ABC coming in. Okay, so that's the best way to do this. All right, keep a very good. If it breaks 42.45, all right, then it's going to give this 43.40 another run. All right, if you end up with a triple top here, that's extremely bearish. You got bearish divergence on the 4-hour down here. You got lower highs and higher highs in price. So running out of gas unless it breaks, you know, that resistance line. Put that resistance line on your chart and keep an eye on it. All right. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.